Hey, it's Mike, and today I'd like to talk about LM Funding America Inc. The stock trades on the NASDAQ on the symbol LMFA. The stock rose over 15% up to $2.45. It was down 10% in after hours. If you look at the 5-month chart here, you see the stock was trading at under $1 before popping up really high, and now it's beginning to move back down. So the question is, when you see a stock that suddenly pops and drops like this, is this a stock worth getting into? Well, I would say maybe not right now. You may want to wait a little bit. However, I do think this is an interesting stock to keep on your radar for a couple of reasons. One is it is below the $5 level, so there is a chance if this stock shows really nice price action, more stabilized price action, it could move up to $5 a share, especially with a small market cap of $37 million. Also, LM Funding America has a pretty interesting business model. Basically, they provide funding to HOAs and condo associations that are dealing with delinquencies and having to deal with collections, so they don't have to go into bankruptcy. So it's a pretty interesting space to create funding. So it says here in their About Us, before LM Funding Association owners would have to hire attorneys to collect bad debt and be forced to pay them regardless of what was collected from the delinquent owner. We're changing that with a unique business idea that turns debt into cash, freeing associations from the burden of collecting and allowing them to continue to maintain their operations. So you can see probably in trying economic times, you may have condo associations deal with people who just don't have the ability to pay, and they're able to help these condo associations get the funding that they need and just be able to stay afloat so they don't have to deal with bankruptcies or not being able to provide services for the condo. So it's a pretty interesting space, and I can see a growing need for a company like LM Funding. So you definitely want to check it out. I will say it is a little suspicious when you see price action like this, a stock that's not doing anything for a while and then it suddenly does this, and there's no real news as to why it's making such a big parabolic rise. So there is a possibility it could be a pump and dump. However, you usually don't see that with NASDAQ stocks. Those more OTC and pink sheet stocks, but definitely keep your eye on this stock because it's a very interesting space that it's in. So if it gets stabilized and begin to move higher in sort of a natural way, I definitely think there's a stock that has the potential to hit $5 a share, possibly move beyond. So definitely check out LM Funding America. It trades on the NASDAQ under symbol LMFA. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.